1. Tutor your friends and neighbors. If you're really good at a subject in school, or at playing an instrument like guitar or piano, you can offer to tutor your friends or neighbors down the street for some extra cash. Know, though, that your friends may also not have a lot of extra money, so be generous and don't overcharge your buddies. If you are in the same class as your friend and you are better at that subject, you can offer to tutor your friend and help with the homework and studying for tests. If you have a younger sibling, you can also offer to tutor your sibling so your parents don't have to always be checking up on grades and homework. 2. Babysit for your neighbors and your parents' friends. One of the most profitable ways to make money easily for kids is to babysit. Start by offering to babysit your own sibling, and once you've got some experience, reach out to the neighborhood. Take a babysitting course. Red Cross offers a certified course that gives you skills from handling children to teaching you what to do if there's a medical issue. Being certified will help you get jobs and may even let you charge more. Get referrals. Ask your parents to reach out to friends who might need a babysitter, and post signs up around your neighborhood. Treat babysitting like it's your own business. Come up with a name, and choose a rate to charge. Consider joining an online babysitting network like Sitter City. 3. Hold a daycare. During the summer months, when you don't have school, but your parents still need to go to work, holding a daycare service in the neighborhood can be another great way to make some extra money. This works best if you have some friends helping you out too. Not all parents will want to leave their kids with you all day, but if you have established yourself as a reliable babysitter, you may have some luck. This method works best if you are a little bit older and have some other friends helping you out. Advertise your daycare around the neighborhood and feature fun activities for the kids to do. Maybe you organize a park day where you play games like kickball. Or you hold an arts and crafts day at the house. You can even combine a daycare with your tutoring. Ensure you check out local bylaws to be sure that you are compliant. There may be restrictions on how many children you can sit for, and how many daycare supervisors you have per child, before licensing, inspections, and so on becomes an issue. 4. Pet sit, or dog walk for your neighbors. If you are comfortable around animals, pet sitting or dog walking is a great way to easily earn some money. Dogs and cats will usually need some pet sitting, but people will also be interested in caring arrangements for fish, amphibians, reptiles, etc. Don't look after anything you can't care for though. Make flyers advertising that you are open for business. Leave them in mailboxes and on bulletin boards close to your area. Keep a planner. This is so that you know which animals you have to watch over at which times. Also keep a record of food and cleaning needs. Be sure to keep the keys for the different houses organized. Tie paper luggage labels to keys with names on them, but do not add the address in case you lose them. Charge a fair price but be competitive with other pet sitters. A flat rate of $4 to $10 a visit or per walk is a good starting price to negotiate. Check out the link description below.